Right now, we are giving you a live look tonight out in Sandy Springs. If you go outside tonight, or if you have been out really at any point today, you can feel the extreme cold.
Yeah, all eyes are on the forecast and what it will bring our way tomorrow. And Jonathan, we do know that there are some other school closures.
Yeah, already we're hearing from Coweta County, Fayette County, Henry County, and Newton County, among others, closing, Chris, for tomorrow ahead of what we might expect.
And it's ironic that a lot of those closings are more on the south side because that is the area more favored for some snow that could cause some travel issues. And, you know, we went through the day today. You know it was cold, but I want to show you what we've been through today. We started off this morning at 18 degrees, but with the wind chill, it felt like it was near zero. And then temperatures have been really slow to climb today. We actually did hit 32 degrees in between these hourlies here, so we just made it up to freezing, but now we're going to be going back to below freezing for this extended period of temperatures that are below freezing. And with the cold air in place tomorrow, we're watching some moisture that's going to be moving in later in the afternoon. The big question is just how far north will this moisture move our way? The winter storm watch that we were telling you about yesterday and early this morning has now been upgraded to a winter weather advisory that does include the metro area down toward Pike and Lamar counties, including Spalding County, over toward areas of Troup County. That's the winter weather advisory. South of that, where you see really from Columbus to Macon to south of Augusta, including Savannah, Valdosta, all of South Georgia, that's where there's a winter storm warning in effect. They could see higher accumulations in middle Georgia and South Georgia than we are going to see here. Now, here's a look at the model comparison. I'm showing you this because there's a big difference in some of the models. It all depends on how far north that moisture goes. The American model and the graph model that I'm going to show you a little bit later is showing a lot of that snow staying away from us, where Metro Atlanta may get zero snow, whereas the other models, the European, is showing it kind of edging back up toward the north a little bit. So that's why we're still including Atlanta in the potential for some light amounts. And you may say, well, that's no big deal, but any light amounts that do happen to make it here could cause some travel issues because we're going to see this really cold ground from all the cold air that we've had. So the timing looks like this. We're thinking any snow, if it happens here or for those areas on the south side, it would be after lunch, maybe from 2 to 5, and then lingering with us through the evening hours. So anything that is on the ground Tuesday night would still be there Wednesday morning because it's going to be so cold. More snow is going to be to the southeast. There is some potential for a bust of the forecast, again, depending on that northern extent of that snow line. But I want you to realize any untreated roads could be slick in spots. Again, more of that on the south side for tomorrow. Stay with us. We're going to talk more about that. We'll show you more of our hand-drawn accumulation forecast. We'll talk more about that in a few minutes.